Hi friends, in this new tutorial series we are going to learn basics of PHP. The current version which is available is 7.2.0. If you have not followed my previous tutorial, then let me inform you. In previous video tutorials we have learned how to download JAMP server. By default, JAMP server contains a PHP engine and that supports 7.2.0 version of PHP. PHP is server-side scripting language. PHP is absolutely free. So as I mentioned, JAMP already contains PHP, so we do not need to download separately. What is a PHP file? PHP file contains text, HTML, CSS, JavaScript and PHP code. PHP file has extension .php. In one of my previous tutorial, I have discussed a HTML page contains static data, and also we can provide dynamic data using various scripting languages. So suppose in a database there is a certain kind of information and we want to show in a web page, then using PHP we can fetch that data and show to the user. Suppose you have a website and in that website you want to provide user information accessing from database, then you are going to need one kind of scripting language, server side scripting language, and that language could be PHP. Why PHP? PHP is very easy to understand, very easy to use, and PHP is provided by so many service providers. If you purchase hosting server plan, that hosting server side already contains a PHP engine. Okay, so from various perspective, PHP is very effective scripting language for various purposes. So I hope you have understood what is PHP. This is the introduction tutorial. In next video tutorial we are going to dig deep and going to understand PHP in more depth. If you have any questions, comment below. I am going to meet you in next video tutorial. Thank you friends.